Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for March 31st. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair broke out to the upside, broke previous resistance, is moving to the upside with an bias to the upside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 94.13, possibly as low as 92.25. Look for some resistance around 93.75 and look for some support around 93.00. Now looking at the Euro-USD pair, this particular pair closed higher. It is overall moving sideways. It is expanding. It'll be interesting to see what happens next if we get a diamond formation out of this, but the market would have to start consolidating down to make that happen. But nonetheless, be interesting to see over the next couple of sessions. Look for this pair, however, to continue moving sideways with the bias sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 136.07, possibly as low as 133.04. Look for some resistance around 135.75 and look for some support around 134.35. Now looking at the pound US dollar pair, this pair moved higher for the fourth day in a row, fourth session in a row. It is moving to the upside. Overall, though, if you look at the long term, still moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 152.80, possibly as low as 149.46. Look for some resistance around 152.50 and look for some support around 151.25. Okay, now looking at the US Swiss, this particular pair moved lower today, did break previous support. However, pulled back to close at the support that was just a little bit higher. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways with a bias that is sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 107.50, possibly as low as 105.28. Look for some resistance around 10700 and look for some support around 10575. Now, we are looking for the U.S. ISM manufacturing for March being released tomorrow. Consensus is that it has dropped from 56.5 to 56. That is being released at 10 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Well, that pretty much wraps up that. We are looking, if you go to the U.S. Swiss on the hour time frame, back out a little bit, we are looking at a potential reversal scalp play, basically taking the high of the reversal. So far it has pulled back a little bit from that high and looking for it to come up to this point of support that would now be resistance, basically being able to take a few pips out of the market, about 10 to 12 pips if it moves a little bit higher after coming down, moving lower for so long. Well, that pretty much wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.